The highlights of today's defense news, 19th of November 25. India-Germany High Defense Committee meeting held in New Delhi. India advances EO-SAAW program with enhanced seeker technologies. PRALAY tactical missile nears induction after successful series of user trials. Union Commerce and Industry Minister and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister lay foundation stone for Drone City and Space City in Andhra Pradesh. DRDO moves to transfer 30 kilowatt anti-drone laser weapon technology for private sector production. DRDO's advanced turbogas generator engine pioneering indigenous propulsion for future defense platforms. Mazagon dock lays second keel for Danish MPV order. Atomesus AI set to launch. India prepares to introduce the world's most affordable AI platform. Azimuth AI Cyient Semiconductors launch India's first-gen IP-powered silicon chip. Sagar Defence wins VISTA challenge at Dubai Airshow, elevating India's global standing in autonomous naval defense. IdeaForge wins 1 billion rupees army drone orders. In the global highlights, RTX wins $698 million US NASAM's contract to bolster Taiwan and Indo-Pacific air defense. US, Canada, Finland sign Statement of Intent for countries' icebreaker collaboration effort pact. The news in detail. A range of bilateral security and defense issues, including priority areas for co-development and co-production of defense equipment, were discussed during the India-Germany High Defense Committee meeting held in New Delhi. The co-chairs reaffirmed commitment to enhance military-to-military cooperation with a focus on developing defense ties as a key pillar of the strategic partnership between India and Germany. They also exchanged views on the regional security situation and discussed intensifying bilateral exchanges, including institution of military exercises. Germany will be participating in Tarang Shakti, a multinational air combat exercise, and Milan, that is the multinational naval exercise, which is planned in 2026. India's Indigenous Precision-Guided Weapons Program has achieved another milestone with the continued maturation of electro-optical smart anti-airfield weapon designed by DRDO for the Air Force. EOSAW represents a new class of long-range standoff air-launched munitions optimized for disabling enemy runways, command centers, and hardened installations without the need for aircraft to enter hostile airspace. In 2024, three flight tests of EOSAW equipped with the cooled Seeker Mark I marked significant progress in seeker precision and terminal guidance accuracy. These trials validated the seeker's ability to acquire and lock on to ground targets under varying environmental conditions, confirming both thermal and optical performance. The tests also demonstrated effective synergy between inertial navigation and the electro-optical targeting module, ensuring precise strike capability in real-time engagement scenarios. The current phase of development focuses on the advanced cooled Seeker Mark II, featuring a more efficient thermal management system and enhanced image processing algorithms. DRDO has taken a decisive step towards inducting the PRALAY short-range quasi-ballistic missile following significant progress in development and evaluation. The acceptance of necessity has been formally granted by both the Army and the Air Force, marking the beginning of the transition from prototype validation to series production. Two defense production partners have already been identified under the Ministry of Defence's Make in India framework to commence manufacturing once final user trials conclude. Developed as a cost-effective, high-precision tactical missile, PRALAY is designed to neutralize critical targets within the 150 to 500-kilometer range bracket. It bridges the gap between BrahMos supersonic cruise missile and the Prahar battlefield support missile, enhancing India's conventional deterrence under the nuclear threshold. The system provides commanders with a rapid response capability for striking enemy command posts, radar installations, logistic nodes, and air bases deep within contested zones. The missile employs a solid propellant motor derived from DRDO's established rocket technologies, ensuring reliability, reduced maintenance, and ease of deployment. DRDO is preparing to hand over the technology for its 30-kilowatt anti-drone laser weapon system to private industry for mass production. This move follows a successful series of field tests that validated the system's accuracy, reliability, and operational readiness across diverse combat environments. It marks a significant progression in directed energy weapon deployment and the wider indigenization of India's counter-drone capabilities. Developed under DRDO's Directed Energy Systems program, the 30-kilowatt laser weapon is designed to neutralize hostile drones, loitering munitions, and low-speed aerial threats within a line of sight range. The system employs a high-energy fiber laser architecture coupled with precision electro-optical tracking and beam control subsystems. It can disable the target's guidance or propulsion systems within seconds, ensuring rapid non-kinetic interception with minimal collateral damage. Field trials demonstrated effective performance at standoff distances of up to 5 kilometers against Category 1 and 2 unmanned aerial systems. Atomesus AI, built by a team of talented young innovators with research exposure to ISRO-linked projects and developed under the leadership of Indus Valley Group, is all set for its official launch. The aim is set to redefine how the world accesses intelligent technology, making it affordable and accessible. The team has engineered a hybrid AI architecture that blends machine learning precision, contextual reasoning capabilities, a proprietary integration layer designed in-house, selective use of licensed global AI systems. This strategic approach delivers higher performance, enhanced privacy protection, and a seamless AI experience tailored for both Indian and international users. The development reflects a rare combination of youthful creativity and deep technical expertise, thus paving the way for Atomesus AI to become one of India's most promising AI ventures. Atomesus AI emphasizes trust, security, and national data protection. The platform highlights several key advantages. Firstly, your data stays in India. Foreign AI models may use user data to train their systems. Atomesus AI is committed to complete data privacy and ethical use. Long-term mission is zero dependency on foreign AI technologies. Developed by young ISRO-associated researchers and engineers, this commitment to transparency and security positions Atomesus AI as a trustworthy alternative for Indian users and global audiences seeking safe, affordable AI solutions. AI and Cyient Semiconductors jointly launched ARCA GKT-1, India's first generation intelligent power platform on a chip designed for high-efficiency edge AI and smart energy applications. The chip integrates multi-core custom computing, advanced analog sensing, memory, and intelligent power management into a low-power system on chip SoC. It targets smart utilities, advanced metering, battery management, smart cities, and industrial automation, reflecting India's growing semiconductor self-reliance and technology innovation capabilities. Sagar Defence has secured the Accelerating the Autonomous Robotics Revolution Challenge under the VISTA track at Dubai Airshow 25, earning a $5,000 prize for its autonomous system concept. According to Sagar Defence, its pitch centered on Genesis, described as a boat-in-a-box concept built under an AI-powered platform-agnostic module that can be retrofitted into existing vessels. The global news. Raytheon has been awarded a contract of $698 billion by the U.S. Army Contracting Command at Redstone Arsenal for production of the NASAMS fire units destined for Taiwan under a foreign military sales package. NASAMS is a short to medium range ground-based air defense system jointly developed by Norway's Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace and Raytheon, designed to intercept aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and cruise missiles. It uses the AIM-120 AMRAAM as its baseline interceptor, a missile also widely employed on Western fighter aircraft, which simplifies logistics and enables shared stockpiles between air and ground forces. A typical fire unit combines multiple canister launchers, an AN/MPQ-64 Sentinel 3D radar, electro-optical sensors, and a fire distribution center connected through a distributed network architecture. United States, Canada, and Finland on 18th of November signed a joint statement of intent for their icebreaker collaboration effort pact. This collaboration is intended to strengthen the shipbuilding industry and industrial capacity of each nation and build closer security and economic ties among the countries through information exchange and mutual workforce development focused on building polar icebreakers and other Arctic and polar capabilities. The government signed a memorandum of understanding in November 24 to begin working together to develop Arctic and polar icebreakers through an exchange of knowledge, information, and resources in each of the countries. By pooling expertise and resources, the three countries are expanding their icebreaker fleets to better address Arctic challenges. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.